Hello. We're in we're in Ecuador.
Yeah, not the minute.
We've not told you that because we've been well, not having a meltdown. We've just been quietly having meltdowns, have we?
What are you on about?
Well, because the weather.
Oh well, yeah, we've come to the beach and the weather's crap. It's like a warm, weird English winter.
Yep. Yeah. There's no waves, not enough waves to surf. It's all right anyway.
All
so
right.
we spent a few days in Montanita, and now we've come to Puerto Lopez on the scariest bus ever.
Yeah, it was easy doing like 70 miles an hour.
Where even when we got on, it was panic. Wayne put his hand out to stop for us to get on, and he just was like, quick, bags. So we had to give him our bags. He like threw them in the back, and then we got like literally, I stepped my foot on, and he was off.
Yeah.
Terrifying.
And we've got to take the same bus back.
I felt like we were in that bit of the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory where they're in that boat and it's like, is it raining? And it's like all crazy and it's all spinning. I felt like we were in that, hurtling to our death. So Wayne's gonna go and do some scuba diving tomorrow. I'm gonna try and toner my hair, and then we're gonna try and see some whales.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then get on another exciting bus journey back somewhere else.
I don't think about that. That's in a few days.
I don't mind.
Oh, I do.
If we keep talking forever, then I don't get where this thing goes. So sick of waiting for nothing, when all I want is to hold you close. And all my stupid friends try to bring me to my senses, but I'd rather be illogical. Recalling you, I can't let go. We had our chances to patch things up again, and I can't believe that you let it slip somehow. So I get a little drunk on a Friday night with my friends, staying up all night so I don't just lay and think about you. It's okay, but I'm all messed up. Don't know what to do to forget about you. So I get woo, yeah, I get woo. The blurry vision is helping when I'm stumbling in the dark. As soon as I'm feeling something, I just take another shot.
Hiya. We're just on our way to a boat.
Yeah.
Because it's humpback whale. Is it mating season or baby season?
They come up here from the Antarctic to give birth and to mate.
Oh, both.
Yeah.
I do listen.
Mm-hmm.
So we get on a boat and we go and look for him. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a few yesterday when we was diving.
Oh yeah.
And it is cool. Saw a few jump straight out.
Like that.
Yeah.
Do they fall back in?
Where else do they go?
Well, do they like? I don't know.
You'll have to wait and see.
Oh.
So, and the sea was, I went diving yesterday, the sea was so rough, so Charlie's gonna die.
I've just had some anti-sickness tablets. I've had 2. I've got 2 left. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sick, but if we don't see whales and I'm sick, oh, I'll be so mad.
Guaranteed whales, she said.
Oh, she did
She
say that,
wanted
but
to.
she said that before we booked the ticket.
We saw loads yesterday and we weren't even looking for them, so we will see some.
Incoming humpback whales. The woman who told us we would definitely see whales told us to meet here.
And it does say they're open 8 till 12 and 4 till 7.
She told us to meet here at 2:20 and it's 2 now and it's not open. So a man just picked us up in the tuk-tuk from outside the place where we were waiting and then brought us to another tour group and then they've just joined us together. So
Front row seats to our own death.
I know, it's really rocky. My seasickness tablets must be working though because I'm not feeling as sick as I should.
Do you recall when we were young? running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are and if you found a way out from the dark. You seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder where you are. If you found a way out, come seek me out.
Hello.
We survived.
We did survive. And I wasn't sick. Them seasickness tablets were really good. I don't know what they were. The woman told us about them, didn't she? But they were good because we were like... And it was
Yeah,
alright.
I think they'll have got that now from the GoPro.
No,
No,
yeah,
it's
it
really
was
good.
Yeah. Loads of them jumping. Some of them did like synchro, didn't they? Jumping.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah, there's a lot.
And they kept far enough away and turned the engines off and stuff,
Yeah.
so you don't feel like you were hassling up.
We were chasing
But the
them,
boat
yeah.
was like rammed like sardines.
Yeah, it was. But we were alright. We were sat at the front and then I still saw everything, so it's fine.
Yeah, it was good.
So yeah, now what we're having for tea?
Tuna pasta bake.
Yeah.
We've ate the bake
But with
because we
cheese.
ain't got an oven.
Cheese though.
Yeah,
Yeah. Maybe eventually the end of Stranger Things.
yeah. Some beers.
Maybe. Oh yeah, there's loads of beers left.
It's not loads.
7.
Yeah.
That's enough.
To think about it, we blew our chances to patch things up again. And I can't believe that you let me go somehow. So I get a little drunk on a Monday night by